I wanted to show you guys kind of how we stay connected while we're on the road. I don't know if all iPhones can do this, but that's kind of a game changer. You'll be just fine. What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. I am tired. It's been a long day of travel. We're finally connected and we are getting ready for some dinner. Jerry's making one of our favorites here in the oven. This is tilapia. What's the name of this? What's
broiled tilapia parmesan.
Broiled tilapia parmesan, and it is super good. Landon agrees. You like the fish? You like the fish? You like the fish? Everybody likes the fish. Is this what goes on it right here?
Yeah.
What's in this?
Nothing good for you.
Nothing good for you. Mayonnaise, butter, Parmesan.
Cheese.
It's really good. It's a great tilapia dish, and we're all huge fans. So that and salad tonight. But since we have a little bit of time before dinner, I wanted to show you guys kind of how we stay connected while we're on the road. One thing that we've been asked a lot is how we do our work from the road, and when you're traveling, you're going in and out of service, and that was a big problem that we needed to solve early on. And obviously, because we're still working, we have meetings, Zoom meetings, regular meetings, phone calls, emails, planning, things that we have to do every single week, and we need to make sure that we can stay connected for that. So one thing that we have is our Verizon MiFi. So this is a Verizon hotspot, and obviously you need Verizon service for that, but it allows us to hop onto that and not use up data on our phones if we need to. So that's one source. The other thing that Carrie discovered that is a really cool pro tip is the iPhone. So on the iPhone 11, the one that looks like this, I don't know if all iPhones can do this, but on this one, believe it or not, you can have AT&T and Verizon. So on the top there, you can see Verizon has full service, and on the bottom, there's 2 bars of AT&T. So you can get your iPhone 11 set up so that you have the ability to toggle between AT&T and Verizon. That's kind of a game changer. And the other thing that we have is this little guy. This is Alcatel, and it's actually a T-Mobile device. So T-Mobile, I don't think T-Mobile has the best service back where we live, but believe it or not, T-Mobile has saved us multiple times from not being connected. So we tried the Verizon, try AT&T, no good. We put on T-Mobile and we got it quick. So basically that's kind of how we cover it all. And then we have certain plans, on each of those that allow, you have a certain amount of gigs before it starts to toggle and go slower. But so far, we've been able to keep up with all of our work, stay connected, and pretty much operate as usual from anywhere that we've been in the US so far. Hopefully, you guys find that helpful. We had some people ask us questions about that this week, and so we thought, man, maybe we should give some of these tips to other people who may be thinking about getting on the road. So hope that's helpful to you, and hope you guys have a great evening. We're going to go do dinner, but we will keep you posted.